밖엔 비가 오나 봐. 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고. 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이. 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래. 조금만 이제는 어디까지 보다 잤지. 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지. 넌 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 봄에 먹을 맥.
Morning guys! Punta kami ng I don't know.
The station here, the cat.
Oh, okay.
Thing up there is up there.
Alright. Morning guys! Kapunta kami ngayon ng Mount Fuji pero ipapapalit muna namin yung JRL pass namin na nabili sa Philippines. And hindi ko lang nasa kaming area ngayon. Sinusundan ko lang siya. So nagpack lang kami ng things for good for one day. Baka magstay kami na malapit doon. And babalik din kami after dito sa Shinjuku area. And so dyan, dito kayo papunta. Sa Airpass. Medyo nakakalito yung station nila dito kung hindi ka talaga alam mo yung gagamit ng Google. Hindi mo maiintindihan yung paano yung line, saan ka bababaan ng station. So tinalang yung kasama ko matyaga mag-figure out yung mga sasakyan din. Although pabalik-balik naman na siya dito. So medyo familiar na siya. Pero madalas naliligaw pa rin ako.
You're up it. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Schoolgirl. Like,
Baby, can I have my mask, please? Okay, so order lang kami ng coffee and take out ng bread. Doon na kami kakain sa Bullet Train. Baka kasi na-date ko. Hi! Ligaw na ligaw kami, guys. Ay, grabe. Buti na ba siya, guys, itong kasama ko magtanong-tanong. Pero papunta na po kami sa Bullet Train. And
yes. 21番線に山手の 128号と翼128号21番線に到着の列車は折り返し11時ちょうど発
Ito yung aming food.
Chicken. Any part of it? Maybe the savory. Still lots of room in there, I guess. Hollow, but
Sweet apple and water. Guys, mag-close na ng 10 minutes. So, sayang pag nag-bayad kami ng 3,000 yen. And hindi namin siya may enjoy. So, babalik kami tomorrow. Hanapin lang namin yung check-in hotel namin. Right, baby? We're gonna go back here.
we're gonna go back, yes.
Hey guys, good evening. So 7:15 na ng gabi dito and napag-decide namin ni boyfriend na pumunta ng hot spring and maghanap ng ramen soup kasi sa sobrang lamig, grabe. Pag lumabas ka talaga parang nag-freeze. So we are heading to hot spring. So fini-figure out niya kung paano kayo makakapunta doon since walang sasakyan na dumadaan dito. So, dito kami nagstay for a night. Kasi tomorrow, pupunta kami or babalik kami doon sa Nagasaka para i-try yung gondola lift, yung tawag nila doon. So, we'll stay for a while and mag-enjoy tomorrow. Maaga kami gigising kasi sabi 8:30 ng umaga ang open. So guys, sobrang dilim mo. Kita niyo ba? Dilim, di ba? So yan yung place. Altitude Nozawa. So sobrang bait ng staff dito. Si Brenda nauna na. Lakad tayo guys, grabe, sobrang lamig. So, ito yung place namin na pinagstayan ngayong gabi. Altitude na Zawa. Ayan, diba? Yan. Snow yan, guys. Ayan. Ang lamig. Grabe. Tour ko kayo later, guys, kung makita namin yung hot spring. Sobrang lamig, di ko kaya. Tatakbo muna ako kay Brenda. Grabe, sobrang tahimik dito. Oh, lamig. Sorry guys, hindi na namin kayo nadala kasi bawal pala. Bawal ang camera kasi may other areas na nakubad lang. And merong area naman na naka full wear, pwede naman. Then, pwedeng couple. Then, sa ladies, pwedeng nakahubad lang siya. So, hindi ko na kayo dinala, guys. So, dito kami napunta. Ngayon, maghahanap kami ng makakainan. Hindi ko lang alam kung may bukas. Pero, try natin. And, I think 8:30 na ng gabi. So, tomorrow, maaga pa kami. Grabe, nakaka-relax yung hot spring, guys. Sobrang ang init, pero napakasarap sa katawan. Are you okay?
So good. So good.
Grabe, guys. Oh, sobrang ang ganda.
So good.
First time ko. And actually, siya nakabalik na. Pero sa ibang area naman. So, we'll update you guys mamaya. Pagkahanap muna kami ng makakainan. Grabe, guys. Guys, uuwi na lang pala kami kasi sobrang layo ng makakainan dito. And so, ano pa din ang yung dadaanan namin. May ilaw naman kaso syempre medyo malayo-layo. Back and forth. Maglalakad lang kami. So, uwi na lang kami. And thank you sa pagsama sa amin. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's Thursday today. And it's 7:49 a.m. ng morning. So, napakaganda, grabe. Sakto lang yung lamig niya. And, ayun yung mountains. Kasi hindi siya ma-zoom sa GoPro. Ayan. So, magba-breakfast muna kami. And, babalik kami dito to check out na sa hotel. Then, pupunta kami sa gondola lift doon sa may Nagasaka kung saan magta-try kami na pumunta ng mountain. And, sabi kasi nila 8:30 mag-o-open. So, i-grab na namin yung opportunity. So, samahan nyo kami, guys. And, hopefully, maging maganda yung weather. And, makasakay kami sa gondola lift na yon. So, medyo kinakabahan, pero itatry po natin. So, guys, nasa baba na si Brenton. So, pababa tayo para puntahan siya. Magtitake kami ng breakfast. So, ito yung area kung saan kami nag-stay.
He's gonna wait for you, and then
Did you eat already?
no, he's gonna wait for you to make us both food because there's nobody here, only us, I guess.
Oh, but that's
And so he went in there and closed the door, and I haven't talked to him yet.
alright.
I'm making you a piece of toast.
Okay, coffee. Where's coffee? What's up, coffee? So everything here, all snacks, 200 yen. Arigato.
Here's the machine.
So guys, ito yung coffee area nila. Self-service. Kain muna kami, guys, and sama kayo sa amin.
Let's see. Well, let's see what I got. I guess some US dollars, I guess.
Oh, so exchange money?
Yeah.
I'm not sure you can exchange cash here.
Oh, really?
You can. There's ATMs that you can get. Like if you've got a bank card, you can get money on it.
Oh, okay.
Like,
Okay.
Visa, MasterCard.
I could try that.
Yeah. So there's one at the post office, which is in town.
Okay.
Yeah.
Living in the Philippines now.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
New Zealand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, but I'm actually going to the Philippines after. Yeah. Before Hanoi.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's spending 2 weeks there. Pretty excited. Yeah.
Thank you. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, magche-check out na kami kasi 10 a.m. check out na. So, ang plan namin is ilagay na lang sa locker na malapit sa gondola lift. So, kunin ko na yung shoes. Ito lang namin nilagay yung shoes. So, pag check-in mo dito and papasok ka dito, kailangan tatanggalin mo yung shoes at magpapalit ng slippers. Ito yung slippers nito. So dito tayo sa labas. Let's look here. Ouch! So my free ride going to the Osaka. The free ride guys going to Nagasaki. Gondola lift. Grabe, napakaganda ng view. We are in the middle of the mountains and so naghahanap kami kung saan namin store tong luggage. And nandito na kami sa area. Then sasakay kami doon sa gondola lift na yan. Papunta sa taas ng bundok na yan. So maraming mga turista ngayon na nag-snowboard. Hindi ko alam kung mag-snowboarding kami, pero for sure sa gondola lift. Oh, we were there before. Yesterday, right? Oh, there's a shortcut way. It's better here. Okay. I guess that's better. It's better if shortcut way. Right?
I haven't done yet, but we'll come back and we'll figure it out.
Things. So let's see. Let's start the day, baby. Are you ready for the gondola lift? For sure, you're gonna be scared because you're so scared on high.
Heights, yeah.
Yeah. Face your fear, baby. Just one.
Oh.
Thank you. Wow. This one? Okay. Yay! Entering the gondola.
I think the better view will be here.
Alright.
I mean,
Hey, face the fear, baby. Hey, we're going on. Yes. I'm scared. Something. Wow. Grabe guys. Dami na.
You don't know where Popeye is.
We'll have more memory. Kaming dalawa lang guys dito ang hindi nag-snowboard. Takot kasi ito kasama ko. Soon daw, gagawin niya daw. Pero at least, diba, nag-enjoy kami dito. Ito ay nasa taas ng bundok. And grabe yung place. Sobrang ganda. And meron daw kitchen. Ewan ko kung ano yan. Parang restaurant, something. Doon, pupunta kami. Nalakad lang. Pwede ka dito magstay ng matagal. Hanggang 3:30. Ang operation nila. So, yan. Sobrang ganda, grabe. Malamig, promise, grabe. The terminal station guys, hanggang dito sa areang sa taas ng bundok na to, meron pang mga iba't ibang gondola lift papunta pa sa mga mas mataas na area.
Small run, short run.
Yeah, short run. But you could use the snowboard if you want to go. And this one, oh, my restaurant dito. Punta kami dito guys.